yes. Oh, much better. Oh my god, this is how it's supposed to taste.
Hi, Bromingas.
What up?
What up?
What up, Bromingas? Yes.
What are we doing today?
We will find out which is the best vegan milk to make a hot cocoa.
And for this, we use 4 types of plant-based milk.
Yes, exactly.
Almond milk.
Yes, almond milk.
Rice milk.
Rice milk.
Soy milk.
Soy milk and oat milk.
Oat milk, yes.
And we made a very nice hot cocoa with each of them.
All the same process?
Yes, of course. Every time exactly the same process. And how did we do it first?
Yes, first we need, of course, chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
Vegan chocolate.
Vegan chocolate, which we bought, which is very nice.
70% cacao.
Yes, exactly, 70%, because it's better. Higher percent is better,
yes.
guys.
And you can't use milk chocolate because then it's not vegan.
So we use dark chocolate, cinnamon, cacao powder,
salt, because salt gives this really nice taste.
It gives contrast to the sweetness.
Exactly.
You always have to put in a bit salt, so everything you do with a lot of sugar, put in a little bit of salt. And it gives more balance.
Yes, it gives more balance, and the chocolate is really rounded up when you use salt.
Yeah.
Yes.
It really helps for the chocolate.
For the flavor, for the chocolate flavor.
For the chocolate flavor.
Yes. And then we used vanilla.
Yes, vanilla. From the vanilla plant. I don't know.
Yeah.
A stick of vanilla.
And also maple syrup
for the
sweetness.
For the Canadians.
Yes. Maple syrup and of course the plant-based milks.
Yes, a really weird order. Whatever. So then we put in the milk in the pan.
Yeah, it's important that the milk doesn't cook.
Yeah, the milk shouldn't cook. So first you put milk into a pan, then you put in the chocolate powder.
When it's warm.
Of
course.
Then you put in the chocolate.
Yeah.
How many have you put in? Like 4 pieces or something?
4 little pieces of dark chocolate.
Then we added in the spices, the cinnamon, the vanilla,
the maple syrup and the salt.
And the salt, Then you just mix it up.
Yes, you mix it up.
You just mix it up and then you let it be. And then you can serve it. It's very simple. Then you serve it with a little bit of
soy cream,
whipped cream, a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of chocolate. And there you have it.
Yes.
The best chocolates.
The best vegan hot chocolate.
Now we will taste this and we review them and we tell which milk is the best.
Which one we should try first?
First, I think
the rice milk, because I don't like rice milk that much. I don't like it because it's really, really sweet when you drink it pure. Now I'm wondering how it smells in a cacao. Yeah.
It smells. It smells good in the nose. It's a hot chocolate. It's awesome. I don't know what to say. But it's a lot of chocolate. I think we put in too much chocolate.
Oh no, it's really delicious.
We will have a chocolate shock.
It's much better as if you only put in cacao powder. This one you can buy in the grocery store.
Yeah,
it's much
you have
better.
to melt chocolate. It's so much better than just cacao powder, which you can buy.
Yes, it's much better because the chocolate powders, they have a lot of sugar in. Added sugar, yes. And because of that, it's really sweet.
I mean, we didn't add in any sugar. This is just the sugar from the chocolate.
And maple syrup.
And the maple syrup.
But you can use any sweet.
You can use anything. You can also add in sugar if you want it a bit more sweet.
It's really creamy.
It's very, very
really creamy.
I hoped you could taste it right now. It's
oh my gosh.
Oh my god, we have to drink 3 more of these. It's too much sugar. Oh my god. If you rate it from 1 to 10, how about you would you rate it, the rice?
I have no comparison. It's really difficult.
Yeah, but just from your gut.
Okay, it's really delicious. It's creamy. It's sweet. It's really nice. So I would give a 7.
7.
Yes.
Okay, 7 for the rice.
And you?
Hot cocoa.
What do you think?
I would say 6 because I don't know. It's somewhat. It's not. It's sweet, but I would prefer it to be a little sweeter. I think the rice one is not that sweet. I don't know. Something I didn't like about. can't really pinpoint what it was.
Okay. So the rice milk gets a point of 6.5. So which one do you want to try next?
The nicest cup.
The oat milk.
Look at this.
Really nice.
And?
It's a bit too salty.
Too salty? Oh no. But you put in the same amount of salt in every one, right?
Maybe it's a bit more in there.
Oh no. And how does it taste?
But it's nice.
This is
a little bit too salty.
Ooh. Yes, this is too much salt.
It would be delicious without the salt.
Oh, I cannot drink this. It's too much salt for me, sorry.
Oh.
No, it is too much. But it would be delicious without this too much salt. So don't put in too much salt. Okay. Oh no, it's hard to rate. I say it's 5.
Because of the salt or because of the milk?
Because too much salt.
But if it would not have too much salt,
yeah, it would be very good.
With the oat milk,
I think it would have been
better
than the rice milk.
Yeah. Yes, I think too. Yeah.
Because the oat milk has not a strong flavor of its own.
Yeah,
it's more neutral, and then you taste the chocolate better.
And I think it's creamier.
You think? Oh, I thought the rice drink is extremely creamy.
Yes.
Yeah, but they're all creamy. I think that's because of the melted chocolate.
Yes.
And of the soy whipped cream.
Yeah.
I would give it a 7 then.
Okay, a 7.
And you?
I would give also 7. Okay. So this makes a point of 7.
Half point better than the
the rice drink. Let's try the almond.
Okay, the almond in the giraffe cup.
Too much salt.
Yes. Oh my god! So the rule is don't put in too much salt. You just have to put in a pinch of salt. You threw in, you didn't put in a pinch, you put in whole f***ing salt crystals. This is too much.
But you can smell the milk, okay?
Yeah.
It's nutty.
But I think the oat milk was better.
Yes, okay. You think? Why?
Because the almond is, I don't know.
It's really nutty.
Yeah, but I still prefer the oat.
Okay.
I would give this one a 6.5 or a 6. I would rate this the same as the rice one.
Yes. I think I would give a 6.
So 6. So slightly below the rice. Even below the rice.
Yes.
Okay.
I would give a 6.
Okay then.
Because almond milk, I don't know, it's too nutty, I think.
Yeah, it takes away from the cocoa flavor because you have the almond flavor and this is really strong. Yeah, that's true. That's also true if you put this in coffee. In coffee you taste it very good that it's nutty, but sometimes it's very nice.
Yeah, with chai latte.
Yeah, it's also very good with chai latte tea. Chai latte tea is much more versatile, and the hot chocolate you just want it to taste like hot chocolate.
Yeah, and this is because almond milk is not that good for hot chocolate, I would say.
Exactly.
Yeah, so it has a total point of 6.
So 6, then 6.5 for the rice drink,
and 7 for the oat milk.
And now for the last one, we go with the
soy milk.
Soy milk, yes, exactly.
And I have to be honest, because when I went vegan, I didn't like soy milk that much because I thought it really tastes like plants.
Yes,
really. And I didn't use it anymore because I didn't like it. And in the last couple of weeks, I used it again in coffee, and I really liked it.
For me too, it also really grew on me, soy milk. First, it was my least favorite, and now it's my favorite milk.
Yeah.
So taste it, the soy hot cocoa.
This has not too much salt.
Oh, god damn, I hoped so much because I was so excited to taste this hot chocolate. Let me taste.
It's really difficult.
Oh, yes. Oh, much better. Oh my god, this is how it's supposed to taste.
Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry.
It's really good, yeah.
But I can't say because the rice milk and the oat milk...
this is my favorite.
Yeah?
Yeah. But that's because I'm biased and I like soy milk.
Yeah.
I think probably because of this. But right now, so for cocoa, I think soy milk. I would give this an 8.
Okay, yes, it's really delicious.
8.5, yeah.
Yes, it's really delicious.
It's really sweet. Because soy milk doesn't have a very strong flavor of its own, again.
Like the almond milk.
Yeah, like
this
the almond milk is very, very... And also rice. Also rice milk and almond milk, they both have a very strong taste of their own. And oat milk and soy milk
Okay, it's really delicious. I would give an 8.
So we have 8 for the soy milk, we have a 7 for the oat milk, a 6.5 for the rice milk, and a 6 for the almond milk.
Yes.
It's a good recipe.
Yes,
You have to
the
try
recipe
it
is really nice.
Yeah. But if you're not vegan and you do this, it will not taste like the hot cocoa you used to. Because it's really different. You will probably think it tastes like plant. It's not that big of an issue if you would drink it pure because you taste the chocolate. But when we first started drinking plant-based milk, we were like, oh my god, this tastes like plants.
But like we said, if you're looking for a really nice vegan hot chocolate, then soy milk would be the best.
Yeah, so soy milk wins.
He likes it.
So as always, thanks for watching, guys.
See you next time.
Brominga.